Now this one is another project I just got. I'm very excited about this one because I always wanted one of these cars. This is a 1996 LT4 6-speed Corvette. This car has been under a tree with a tarp for about 6 to 7 years. I know where it came from. I know it's 3 houses from where I live. It's one of my neighbors, and I finally got it. I got it really cheap. I got it for a really good price, so I can spend a lot of money in it. My plans with this car is taking the fuel tank out. That's the first thing I'm gonna do. Clean it up. If I need to buy a new tank and pump and stuff, then I do it, no problem. And then I taking the injectors out, cleaning them, and then try to start it. If it starts, great, but I know I'm gonna have to take the motor apart and replace all the seals and the transmission to replace the front seal and the back seal and all the stuff. You know, all the seals in the car need to be, you know, replaced because it's a 96. So my plans with this car is running in the 12s. I don't want to, you know, more than that. Just headers, exhaust, a cam, good clutch, and maybe gears, and definitely wheels. I'm a big fan of 11-inch, at least on the back, 3 something on the back. I don't know if I should go with 17s or 20s. That's something that I'm definitely lowering the car. This is way too high, just way too high. Here's the engine, LT4, you can tell by the intake, and of course it says it right there. I love the tape. Look at this. That's the patina of this car. The interior is not bad. It's really nice. I mean, always, you know, the driver's seat is always gonna be messed up. But the most impressive thing about this car is nothing is cracked. Like all the AC vents are nice, and up here, you know, nothing. The dash is nice. There's nothing cracked about it. So really excited. I'm really excited to get this thing going. All right, guys. So today I'm going to start working on the Corvette again. I bought it. Haven't done much to it, so what I'm gonna do today is take the fuel pump off and just take a look inside of the tank and see if it's clean. If it's really dirty and rusty, then unfortunately I'm gonna have to take the whole thing out and the tank and everything out. So wish me luck. It's not looking too promising. It's really rusty. So see what we got. I removed all the bolts, so here comes the truth. Let's see what we got. Oof, this is looking, I don't like what I see. Yeah, I don't like what I see. Look at the filter. The filter's messed up. So that means it was just so I'm gonna have to take the fuel tank out. This is not looking good. This is horrible. So look at all this. Get you inside. It's not looking too bad. I mean, the top of the tank is not. It might be fine. Okay, well, let's take all the gas out and see what we got. Maybe it's just that. I don't mind that. I don't mind replacing all that instead of the fuel tank, because that is a pain in the butt. I'm cleaning out the tank with the vacuum since it's nice and dry, and I did notice that it has the plastic inside cracked. See it right there? So I don't know. Whatever, I'm gonna put it like that and see what happens. If it works, it works. If not, then I'll change the fuel tank. It's not a big deal. In a Corvette, this is nice and easy. Everything is right here, so I'm just gonna take the chance and see what happens. So here we got the new fuel assembly, just stock for now. When I do all the stuff to the Corvette, then I'll replace the fuel pump. I can't find the hole. The new one is in. Now we're just gonna put all the stuff back on and call it a day. So today we clean up the tank, we put a new fuel assembly, and that's all. And that's all we got for today.
2 days later.
So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna push it back because the clutch is stuck on the flywheel. So let me see if riding back and forth it will disengage. So we'll see. Is we're gonna put it in reverse, and then we're gonna crank it. Okay, that was fun. All right, so let's see if let's see. So if I put it, if I start, and then oh, it's already going. Like if I try to. Okay, so I gotta put it in gear and then start it up. Damn, that's way too fast. Alright, let's see what we got. That looks like third gear. I think that's third gear. Damn. If I don't lose my transmission on this one. Alright. It has a little miss, like a little. So maybe there's a better way of doing this. Okay, let's put it in reverse. I can just. Whoa, this is bad. Okay, so let's see what we got. Ew, man, this thing is heavy. My theory behind is my brother had a tractor and it had the same thing, and we started playing with it and it came loose. So correct me if I'm wrong, I'm not gonna read the comments, but it might come loose, so that's what I'm hoping. Oh my god, this thing is heavy. I don't want to keep beating on the transmission. I guess we're gonna try that again. Ooh, it's not. Uh-oh. It's not. I think the Altic spark thing took a crap. Oh yeah. Nice. I'm stuck.